On the other news, as the government steps up efforts to bring relief to consumers and make basic goods more affordable, more Filipinos outside Metro Manila can now breathe a little easier because starting tomorrow, the 20 pesos per kilo rice will be made available in more provinces across the country. A total of 32 Kadiwa centers are set to roll out the budget-friendly rice. PTV's Clazel Pardilla brings us the palace's good news in this report.
Cook Gemma can't wait to buy 20 pesos rice. She's a widow supporting 5 children in Barangay Santa Ana, Rizal. For her, saving isn't just about stretching their budget. It's a step closer to her dream, to send her children to school.
Pag wala kang 20, hindi ka makakabili ng kalahati dahil tag 50 po yung nabibili naming bigas ngayon. Kung matutupad po sa ngayon po yan, baka po siguro malaking tulong po yung 20 pesos na makakabili po kami ng malaking tulong po yun.
At yung matitipid, saan yung uli gagamitin, ma'am?
Pambaon po ng mga anak ko, pangbili ng gamit, lalo ngayon magpapasukan.
Good news from the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Starting tomorrow, 20 pesos rice will be available in more provinces outside Metro Manila. 32 Kadiwa centers will start selling 20 pesos rice in Bulacan, Cavite, Mindoro, and Rizal. This is a part of the government's effort to make basic goods affordable and help consumers reduce daily expenses.
Makikita natin, no, ito hindi lamang pang-eleksyon katulad ng sinasabi nila. Ang serbisyo naman po, sino man po ang nakaluklok dyan ay para sa taong bayan.
Meanwhile, 20 pesos rice continues to be offered in markets, Kadiwa outlets, and selected government offices across NCR, including the DA Central Office, Parañaque, Valenzuela, Manila, Malabon, Taguig, Mandaluyong, Pasay, and Navotas, and even in Visayas region.
Masaya ng lahat ng mga tao kasi nabawasan yung mga gastusin, diba? Bumaba na yung bigas.
At 20 pesos per kilo, BBM rice is significantly cheaper than well-milled rice priced at 40 to 50 pesos in local markets.
Dahil bumababa po at nabibigyan po natin ng pagkakataon ng ating mga kababayan na makabili ng 20 pesos na kada kilo na bigas, ang market po nito ay maaari ma-impluwensyahan. We hope na kahit sa market po ay maibaba nila ang presyo ng bigas.
From PTV, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.